गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। आज डिस्कस करेंगे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सीड एंड फ्रूट सीड इन एंजियोस्पर्म्स। द सीड इज द final product of sexual reproduction. It is also called fertilized ovule. Before fertilization it is ovule, after fertilization it is seed. So seeds are formed inside fruits. A seed consists seed coat, cotyledons and an embryonal axis. Embryonal axis is also called tigill. The cotyledons in legume plants generally thick and swollen. It is due to storage of food material. And mature seeds are two types: non-albuminous and albuminous, or non-endospermic or endospermic. In non-endospermic or in non-albuminous seeds, endosperm is completely used. Example, pea and groundnut. Whereas in case of albuminous seeds or endospermic seeds, endosperm is not completely used during embryo development. Example, wheat, maize, barley, castor and sunflower. Occasionally, in some cases such as black pepper and beet, some amount of nucellus remains with seed. Such seeds are called perispermic seeds. So after fertilization, integuments are modified into seed coats. A seed coat has two layers. Outer layer is called testa and inner layer is called tegumen. The micropyle remains a small pore in the seed coat, and this facilitates entry of oxygen and water during seed germination. As seed matures, its water content is reduced and seeds become relatively dry. If embryo enters into a state of inactivity, it is called dormancy. If favorable conditions are available, that means favorable conditions means adequate moisture, oxygen and suitable temperature, then they are germinate. As ovules matured into seeds, the ovary develops into a fruit. The wall of ovary develops into wall of fruit, and the fruit wall is called pericarp. And these fruits may be fleshy or dry. Fleshy fruits as in gourds, orange, mango, etc. Or sometimes they may be dry as in groundnut and mustard. If fruits develop from the ovary is called true fruits. If fruits develop from any part of ovary, any part of flower other than ovary is called false fruits. Apple, strawberry and cashew nut. And these are the diagrams of some seeds, structures of some seeds. These are different seeds. This is micropyle, cotyledons, seed coat, endosperm, cotyledons. This is hypocotyle. This is the monocot seed. This is pericarp, endosperm. This is proteinaceous layer, coleoptile, coleorhiza, plumule and radicle. And these are the structures of some false fruits: apple and strawberry. In apple and strawberry, thalamus modified. Thalamus store the food material and become flesh. And what is the significance of seeds? Significance of seeds, the first one is dependable method. Unlike bryophytes and pteridophytes, pollination and fertilization of seed plants are free from requirement of water. Seed formation is therefore more dependable. And second one is perennation. Seeds dry with dormant embryo. It is most suitable for formation, so perennation through unfavorable periods. Next one is dispersal. Seeds have strategies to get dispersed to new habitats and colonize the sun. And another one is reserve food. Seeds have reserve food for nourishing the young seedlings till they become nutritionally independent. Another one is variations. As seeds are formed through sexual reproduction, they carry a number of variations, and variations are suitable variations or useful variations are essential for adaptations and evolution. Next, storage. Seeds can be stored for later use. This is helpful for supply of food throughout the year. And another one is agriculture. Seed is the basis of our agriculture. Agriculture originate human learn to eat, store and sow seeds. It is proved to be turning point for evolution of human civilization, industrialization, science and technology. And one more important topic is viability of seeds. What is viability? The ability of seeds to retain the power of germination over a period of time is called viability of seeds. A viable seed is therefore the seed which is capable of germination under suitable environmental conditions. So viability may range from few weeks to several years. It is also influenced by conditions during storage and non-germination. Excessive dry and damp weather and high temperature are known to reduce viability. The viability of several hundred years has been recently found out. Some 2000 years old viable seeds of Phoenix dactylifera, it is the scientific name of date palm, have been discovered during archaeological excavation of King Herod's palace near Dead Sea. About 10,000 years old seeds of Lupinus arcticus taken out from Arctic tundra. Viability of seeds can be known by two methods: ability to germinate and testing their ability to respire.